So in addition to the manual valve purge option, the system can be upgraded for automatic features. Here we have an example of our AP75 motorized ball valve. It comes with a weatherproof IP65 enclosure with a motor inside that's mounted to a nickel-plated brass valve and a stainless steel ball inside. So this removes any manual maintenance that you would otherwise have to do if all you had was the manual ball valve. We recommend purging typically at least once a day for average homeowners for at least 20 seconds. That gives it enough time for the solids to fully evacuate out. We still do recommend having a manual valve for isolation purposes if for whatever reason any type of servicing on the equipment downstream is required. Now we're going to explain how to program the AP75 motorized ball valve. Upon plugging it in and energizing the valve, it's going to do a constant non-stop rotation like so. Once the valve is energized, you can adjust the purge duration, which is the time the valve is open for the flush cycle. In order to do so, press the test and set button at the same time. A letter will appear on the LCD display. Currently it's at setting A. We want a minimum of 20 seconds purge duration, so we're going to press the set button to a minimum of setting D. In order to confirm, press the test button. So now we need to adjust the purge frequency, which is the amount of time in between purge cycles. It's currently set at number 1, which would be an 8-minute purge frequency. For this purpose, let's set it to once a day, so every 24 hours. We're going to set it to number 9. In order to confirm, press the test button. And in order to start the cycle, hold down test and wait for it to go. So from this point forward, every 24 hours, the valve is going to open up for 20 seconds. The unit comes standard to accept 110 volts. There is an option to modify it in field to accept 220 volts as shown. There is also an option to add 4 AA batteries to be used as a fail-safe feature, battery backup, in case there is a power outage. We don't recommend using them as standard continuous operating, but more as a fail-safe measure for temporary use only.